This is what Maharashtra looks like right now.
Indian
according
National
to the
Congress 11 seat, Bharatiya Janata Party 11 seat.
right now,
Uddhav
this is what Election Commission is telling us. BJP on 12, Indian National Congress on 11, UBT faction on 9, Eknath Shinde at 7 and Sharad Pawar at 7.
Just not to confuse our voters,
Right.
we'll keep it to a tally. 11 में आप 10 जोड़ेंगे तो 21 आता है और उसमें जो शरद पवार वाला है, एनसीपी शरद पवार इज दिस वन, तो 7 है, तो उसमें 11 में 10 21 28 सीट, 48 में से 28 सीट इस फैक्शन को मिल रहा है, यानी 20 पे बाकी लोग हैं, which means somewhere शरद पवार, उद्धव ठाकरे and Congress, the vote has gelled.
Absolutely.
The vote has gelled. It is not a small feat. The vote has gelled. And more important than that, from the Vidarbha to Konkan, you see a lot of blue shoots.
And you also have the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi also. Prakash Ambedkar is also a key, link.
You see,
in Maharashtra.
people forget.
Not part at the
people-
moment, but you don't know who is going to side
People
with.
forget one thing. The second portfolio that Prime Minister gave to Amit Shah, do you remember?
Cooperation.
Cooperatives. Why was it given? Because the politics of Congress and Maharashtra rests on the cooperative movement. It's not about selling milk, it's about bank and lending money. It's about insurance. That is why he continues to hold the portfolio. But for them to come back, boss, this is like, it's beautiful. Yeah? This is what makes Indian elections so nice. I mean, so people can come with different strategies. The Chanakyas of the world can come and descend from wherever they want to. But people of India can throw up any result they want to.
You can't ever write off Chandrababu Naidu's and Sharad
Yes,
Pawar's of the country.
I mean, look at that. Naidu वापस आ गया, वो भी sweep करके.
When he was in jail a couple of months
and
back.
no one wrote one
He was
editorial
behind
saying
bars.
that Naveen Patnaik is going to lose election. No editorial was written, not one. And Naveen Patnaik is out of power.
One of the only chief ministers who lashed out against the Prime Minister
one
openly.
editorial was written that under Prime Minister Modi, BJP can be below 272.
But the
That's
two
right.
places that
So
you
the
mentioned,
battleground states have completely changed
Kartikeya,
this time.
the two
right?
places you mentioned, on the
It
one
says
hand,
the agency lies with the people of this country.
That's not in doubt at all.
That's the most
Kartikeya.
beautiful part.
now one more thing, if you see the two places that you mentioned, on the one hand, Chandrababu Naidu returns holding the hand of the BJP. But in Odisha, you see Naveen Babu, when he went gung-ho against the BJP, he is on the losing side.
अगर वो होते भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ, I don't
You
know
never
what would
know.
have happened. They would have
You
swept
never know.
everything.
They were giving him the state. They were only asking for 14 Lok Sabha
They would have
seats.
swept everything.
So-
And Patnaik, Babu would have been very happy being chief minister, breaking all the record. 3 महीने से रह गए.
About
लीजिए,
less
तीन
than
महीने से record भी
cheap.
चला गया.
5T was his brainchild. It was his. He wasn't willing to share it. Seems
Okay,
like.
let me just go across to Mr. Verma, sir. The big picture is now pretty much clear. NDA 294, 229 India and 22 others, sir. Your big picture.